Discover the power of efficient Squarespace page management. Did you know you can quickly like multiple pages on your Squarespace site simultaneously? This feature is a fantastic time saver for organizing and highlighting your content. Here's how to do it. Navigate to your Pages section in the Squarespace dashboard to select multiple pages. Simply hover over each page title. You'll see a small checkbox appear. Click it to select the page. Repeat this for every page you wish to select from your collection, whether it's blog posts, portfolio items, or other site pages. Once your desired pages are selected, a row of action icons will appear at the top. Look for the like icon, typically represented by a heart. Click on the heart icon, and instantly, all your selected pages will be marked as liked. This is perfect for curating featured content or categorizing items for easy reference. It's an incredibly simple, yet effective way to manage and enhance your Squarespace site.